In this video, how to disable integrated terminal from auto-opening in VS Code. As you can see, when opening a PowerShell script using VS Code, the integrated terminal opens automatically. To disable it, let's open the VS Code settings. Search for Terminal. For example, in this video, I will disable it for the PowerShell extension. Uncheck this checkbox to disable the PowerShell integrated console from showing on startup automatically. The change will be saved automatically. As you can see, it works as expected. If necessary, you can manually launch the terminal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.